Here's how to create Pinterest boards that attract followers. First, open up the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then find the option of Saved. Here, you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now, select Board. To optimize your new board to pull in consistent followers, you want to implement some strategies. The first thing you want to do is use search-friendly names. When naming your board, avoid vague or clever titles. Instead, type a clear, highly searched phrase that users naturally look for, such as minimalist home. Now you want to write in a keyword-rich description. For that, once the board is created, tap on the three dots, find the option of Edit Board. Now here, find the description box and write in two-sentence summary packed with relevant keywords detailing exactly what kind of value and inspiration your board provides. Next, you want to curate high-quality covers. Go back to your board and save at least 15 to 20 visually striking, high-performing pins. To make your profile look cohesive and professional, you want to click on the Edit Board option. Now go to Board Cover. Now, select the most eye-catching, high-resolution vertical pin as the main display. Once you save your changes, your optimized board will be primed to rank higher in search results and convert casual viewers into permanent followers. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.